Hey, look, Dad. Sorry, it's been probably a month-ish since I showed you I wasn't dead, but I'm not dead. I've been working on the cooking videos and the crocheting, trying to get that blanket done. Yeah, but look, Dad, I'm not dead. Look, Dad, it's Tuesday. He missed. Look, Dad, Tuesday, I don't know. Look, Dad, it's a barbecue. Look, Dad, it's a brownie chaffle. Ooh. Look, Dad. Look, Dad, it's a Wednesday work day. Look, Dad, I'm stocking the snacks. These are mine. Aw, look, Dad. We wanted to catch a mouse, not a bird. Oh, don't eat the peanut butter, bird. Dang it. Oh my gosh. Now how in the heck do I connect these?